So we're looking at the car. We got the both keys here. It's giving the sound. The car is locked. So both keys are working. You can hear that? You can hear that. We're coming to the car. It's gonna unlock itself. Open the door. This is what it shows there. So both keys are here. We know that both keys are working. The battery is brand new in both keys. I hold the brake and I'm pressing the button. Holding the brake, pressing the button. Nothing happens. I'm gonna close the door. Holding the brake, pressing the button. Absolutely nothing is happening. Both keys are here, and both keys have brand new battery. Locked, unlocked, holding the brake, release the brake, keep pressing the button, hold the brake, nothing. It's been a few hours since I tried to start the car. Got both keys here. Both of them are working. Obviously, I press the button. I'm gonna go a little further away. Obviously, keys are working. Coming to the car. Car should recognize it. Unlock, getting in. I got both keys here. Pressing down on the brake. And again, nothing happens. Screen comes up, goes down. There's music, which indicates that the battery is connected, obviously. Car is locked, unlocked. I put the key right where it shows the signal. Okay. Pressing the button. Absolutely nothing. Nothing comes up on the board as we're doing this. By now, brake is still very hard. Obviously, the pressure is built in the system. Holding. If we press the panic, so we press the panic button, unlock, holding the trunk, trunk is opening, start button, nothing, dead horse, no signal.